Hi everybody. Well, some of you might know I'm also on Instagram, and on Instagram there's a welding channel I follow. It's a very young welder, but a brilliant welder. It's called the Welder JG. A few weeks ago I saw a post he did that was called the Diamond Weldingchallange. Well, that welder is in a circle round of welders, and 2 or 3 times a year they do a challenge. So I thought to myself, okay, let's see what they did. After a while I figured out this is not a real challenge. What it was is kind of charity challenge. There are 2 guys around that circle, or in that circle. They do all the plasma cutouts for that diamond, and they sell those sets. One of these sets is about 40 euros, including shipping, and I'm not pretty sure, but I think 5 or 10 euros goes to a children's hospice here in Germany. I like that idea, so I ordered one of these sets. And this is what this video is about. Have fun. So, this is the final result. It was not that hard to put it together. Of course, it is laser cut. But it was a horrible time to sand it all down and bring it to a mirror finish. But in the end, I like it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye bye.